Hello, guys, and welcome to the all new 2022 Jeep Compass. Let's go witness what Jeep brings to the entry level affordable compact SUV table. And as usual, I'll highlight a few relevant areas and spend the rest of the time with you guys as we get mesmerized by the Jeep Compass team, okay? If you're new to the channel and you enjoy content like this, kindly slap a thumbs up and subscribe with your notification bell on for more content like this. And we truly and really are humbled and deeply appreciate you coming over. Thank you so much, and let's get down to business, okay? The business of the new Jeep Compass. Now, the new Jeep Compass has been developed to speak more of European language than its native mother tongue, courtesy the enhanced quality of the finishes and its advanced onboard technology. It also introduces major new features that takes it to an even higher level in terms of design, safety, and technology, and eventually functionality. Have a look at it. They sure look gorgeous to me, especially the two-tone color combination. I really like it. The silver with a black rooftop is very interesting to me, and that's probably the trim that I'll go for if I am convinced at the end of this introductory Jeep episode. Now, Jeep has combined two souls for this particular one. And so we've seen the Jeep off-road soul and then the urban spirit merged to meet the needs of millennial customers in the compact SUV segment. Okay, rational, factual people, they are also fascinated by the possibility of getting away from their daily routines, and we call this group of people pragmatic dreamers. That is a kind of people who are interested in Jeeps, and I believe I'm one of them. I believe you are. That's the reason why you're here. The new model has a strong aesthetic character, right? I mean, per appearance, it tells you this is aggressive and is ready to chew everything you throw at it. And it's enhanced by a refined, distinctive style which remains true to the Jeep's styling cues, excellent dynamic driving, and more sophisticated safety and connectivity that has been promised. All of that is crowned by the renowned Jeep 4X4 capability, a feature honed over 80 years of leadership in off-roading driving. Okay, we credit Jeep with that. All that I'm saying in blah 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 over the Jeep, in short, is that whether concerned with a pragmatic need for mobility or the desire to experience exciting everyday adventures, the answer lies in the 2022 compact SUV that we all have had the opportunity to witness and gaze at and are appreciating. This offers a balance between performance and emotions, rational usage and dreams of freedom and adventure, all in the name of the brand's claim. What is the claim? Go anywhere, do anything. Because Jeep, 80 years later, remains Jeep. Now, let me quickly jump to talk about what is under the hood of this beautiful moving off-road machine. The engine range has been updated with the addition of the new GSC 4-cylinder 1.3-liter turbo petrol engine designed to offer outstanding performance while delivering excellent driving comfort and efficiency, with consumption and CO2 emissions reduced by a whopping 27% when compared to the previous petrol models. All this was made even more fascinating by the depth of the version with a plug-in hybrid technology for 100% electric zero emission driving. The combination of extraordinary 4xe capabilities and sustainable mobility. Jeep is simply going after electrification just as everybody else is. I'm actually wondering how the compacts with the 4xe engine will behave in an off-road situation. I mean, it will be an interesting adventure to experience. Soundless off-roading. It will be an interesting experience, like I said. Yeah, the engine range, like I said, has been updated. These are the new model features that they have added on to, and so I'll talk about the refreshed high-tech profile. Obviously, when you look at it, while it maintains its renowned urban, modern, sophisticated, environmental consciousness spirit, more elegant and modern. I don't have to tell you, you can see it for yourself. It features the all-new carbon designed to improve comfort and life on board and to make the urban driving experience even smarter. these are the major highlights, and I'm just going to go through with you as we have a look at it. We have the major highlights, and they include a full high definition 10.25 inches instrument cluster. You have a sunroof, interesting one. You have a DAB radio Uconnect system with touchscreens from 8.4 to 10.1 inches depending on the trim you go for or the configuration you go for, and moved to the middle of the dashboard in a higher position so that the driver can remain focused on the road. A 5 times faster processor for the infotainment system, Android operating system with wireless Apple CarPlay and an Android Auto smartphone integration, interactive 3D TomTom navigation, and natural voice recognition. Uconnect services. A very interesting promise made by Jeep to us. We look forward to seeing it and enjoying it together. Okay. Yeah, so the new Compass is the first Jeep vehicle which is record breaking in Europe to offer a level 2 autonomous driving, and it's equipped with the latest generation of the ADAS technology as standard across all the range, which is mind-blowing. Well, the ADS technology will include traffic sign recognition, which reads and interprets the road signs, and you've got intelligent speed assist to, as its name implies, automatically keep the car within the speed limit advertised. The latest one is the Drowsy Driver Alert to alert the driver when their attention falters or if they drop off for a moment, and the automatic braking system with pedestrian and cyclist recognition, which slows the vehicle down to a complete stop to avoid or mitigate accidents that could occur. Okay, so that's a slew of technology and safety measures that has been embedded. I wonder how pricey this is going to be, getting all those sweet stuff in the off-roading biased vehicle. The biggest of all of this is the highway assist, which combines adaptive cruise control and lane centering to automatically adjust the vehicle speeds and trajectory on the highway. The vehicle therefore automatically stays in the middle lane and at a sensible distance from the vehicle in front of you for driving experience with total peace of mind. And this vehicle will be available in second half of the year 2021, and 2021 is shaping out to be a year of interesting developments after what COVID did to the year 2020. Right, the new Jeep Compass also comes in a range and combination and trims, and I'm just going to go through it with you as we continue to appreciate how well the cabin is laid out here. So the new Jeep Compass comes with a new range, now offered in 5 different trims. You've got a Sport, you've got a Latitude, you've got a Limited, you've got the top levels, which is the S and the Trailhawk, and they come with 5 different combination of powertrains which you can choose from. You've got the petrol, you've got the diesel, you've got a plug-in hybrid. It comes with 3 different gearboxes which you can select from. You've got a 6-speed manual, you've got automatic DDCT, which is the automatic dual drive clutch transmission, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. When it comes to the drivetrain, you've got a front-wheel drive and you've got an all-wheel drive also, options that you can choose from. And then within the petrol versions comes the 1.3 liter GSE engine that gives you 130 horsepower and 150 horsepower depending on your choosing, and that is paired with a manual transmission and a dry dual clutch transmission respectively, both with front wheel drives. Okay, then to complete the range of the combustion engines comes the 1.6 liter 130 horsepower diesel engine paired with a 6-speed manual transmission and front wheel drive. The plug-in hybrid range is offered also in 2 different outputs. You've got a 190 horsepower and the big boy, the 240 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and an all-wheel drive 4-wheel drive system. That is sweet, and I wonder how swollen the price will be if you've got the version that has all these goodies embedded in it. Well, to jump through what is left, we've got an all-new interior. We all agree because we have seen it. We've got intuitive technology with a Uconnect 5 system, new generation safety systems, we've seen that. A full range of engines, we've seen that. A perfectly tailor-made range, we've seen that. What haven't you seen? One simple thing, which is the exclusivity of Jeep authentic accessories powered by Mopa for the new Jeep Compass. So from launch, all new Compasses can have Mopa developed accessories with the aim to complete new features with additional content, improved the customization opportunities, and enhanced the interior comfort. So your Jeep Compass will definitely look different from my Jeep Compass if you don't want to be with the masses. If you are an owner of a new Jeep Compass, you'll be able to choose from more than 100 Jeep authenticated accessories powered by Mopa and specifically designed and engineered to offer the most comprehensive and extensive customization possibilities and suit the various customers' lifestyle. Mopa accessories were actually closely developed or created in conjunction with Jeep brand engineering and product design teams to ensure that there is maximum compatibility and quality. And I really like this blend. I really like this blend. Okay, the silver with the black rooftop. Okay, that is my choice. Now, some of the new features will be available from summer, and some of those will be the two new color lines, which will include coordinated mirror covers, front door rings, front and rear bezel will be added to the already available color line in glossy black. Again, you would have something that will set your interior different from any other person's, and the interior ambient lighting that will be introduced enhances the aesthetic characterization of the cabin, adding a lighting accent to the driver and the passenger footwells. The dashcam is incredibly great that it can record in dark and light mode conditions, and the wide angle lens ensures all angles are covered, something you don't really see on these ones. Again, before we bring this whole thing to an end, we'll talk about the slew of comfort that has been embedded in the seating and the headrest. So the back seats organizer mounted on the front seat headrest features two multifunctional and one tablet holder pockets. The headrest modular system offers a variety of solutions and travel comfort with the clothes hanger, tablet holder, folding table, and universal hook. The Mopa 4xe pack offers a selection of blue styling accessories designed to enhance the electric nature of the 4xe version and to adapt the new vehicle lines. In addition to that, you are probably wondering accessories for carriage, and that will bring you to the roof bars, the towed bar, the ski, the bike, the water sport carriers, safety and care, car alarm, parking sensors, child seats, electric vehicle accessories. All these will be made available with the Jeeps. Okay, so all that I'm saying is that it's one of the best offers so far with the Jeep lineup as a Compass, and I'm wondering how steep it's going to be when it comes to the pricing and all that, but we'll update this video when a lot more information becomes available. These are the areas we would highlight for now. AutoStop will add on when the vehicle becomes more accessible to the public. Speaking of compact 4xe engines, click on my left top corner for the review of an entry-level 2022 Kia EV6 GT full electric hatch and its iterations if you are interested in electric vehicle options. Thank you so much for watching and have a great time until we meet again. Thank you and bye-bye.